The Animal Biology AAP Summer Research Fellowship Program is a collaboration between the Department of Animal Biology and the Access and Achievement Program, which is in the College of LAS. And this fellowship provides paid research opportunities for students in the Access and Achievement Program to do summer research in the biological sciences. Students in the Access and Achievement Program are among the brightest, most passionate and dedicated and hardworking students on campus. The ABSRF is primarily focused at providing students with little or no research experience the opportunity to be exposed to research at the University of Illinois. So what excites me is that the variation of experiences of students in our summer fellowship program really parallels the diversity of research that goes on in the biological sciences here at the University of Illinois.
Hi, I'm Kelsey McGill. I'm a senior studying integrative biology. We study mosquitoes, and I personally am working on a project that studies the competition effects on larval development in common man-made containers found in people's backyards in Champaign County.
Hi, I'm David Wilkerson-Lindsay. I'm a student here studying integrative biology, and I'm an undergraduate researcher. Our lab studies three-spine stickleback. These fish make nests, so every morning I have to go and check and see if the males have finally made their nests so they're ready to reproduce.
My name is Sophie Espinosa. I attend the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. I am studying biology. I'm an undergrad research assistant doing research on trap giant ants. So I'm actually doing two projects. The first one is a geometric morphometrics one, and the other one is recreating the genomic sequence of a specific species of trap giants.
Hi, my name is Courtney Randall. I'm currently a student here at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. I'm studying integrative biology with a minor in Spanish and cultural analysis. In this lab, we work with plants. The specific plant that we work with is Arabidopsis. In this research, we are trying to figure out the genomics and genetics of endoreduplication. Endoreduplication is simply a plant undergoing a process in which it doesn't go through mitosis. In addition to the Arabidopsis, we do soybean plants. So we do RNA extractions, reverse transcriptase. We also do different experiments related to the genetic makeup of a plant. So how it can increase in seed production, flower production, and reproduction in general.
Hi, my name is Kira, Pilot Jean, and I'm a student at U of I. I'm going to be a sophomore this next year, and I'm an undeclared bio major. So the birds that we're studying in this lab is brown-headed cowbirds, and they are an interesting bird species because they are parasitic birds, and basically that means they cannot make their own nests. So instead of breeding and making a nest like normal birds would, they put their eggs into the nests of other birds, and then these birds take care of their young.
There are many great opportunities through AAP that can apply to many students. For example, it teaches us leadership skills, and it also teaches us how to succeed.
Before this, I've never worked in a research lab. This is a good opportunity because it gives me that experience.
I didn't have any resources prior to this program. Being able to have the grant means I can pay my tuition and also get like this new experience, which is super helpful.
I think this program's good because I didn't know about all of the resources that U of I provides, and the advisors and the AAP program definitely were able to point me in the right direction if I had any questions about anything.
I actually really enjoy being here. Lab members are really nice, very helpful. Whenever I have questions, they're always there to guide me. A research fellowship is definitely a very good opportunity for me because it has given me the experience that I need, and it is also helping me with my decision-making skills.
As we are entering into the adult world, we need to learn how to communicate with others and how to do that successfully. We also need to know how to improve in our classes, how to be resilient when our classes are not going as well as they should be going, and how to speak to professors about research opportunities such as this one.
These experiences are so important for our AAP students. These experiences really give them an exposure to what else is out there, to other career options that are available in the biological sciences, and helps them determine what it is they want to do with the rest of their lives.